हे गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। तो सीन ऐसा है कि मैं अभी चंद्रताल के लिए निकलने वाला हूँ। इट्स अराउंड 8 AM नाउ एंड लुक एट दिस सीन हियर एट बाताल। None of the dhavas, none of the operational dhavas are operating right now. Only Chacha Chachi dhava is operating. So both Chacha and Chachi is present over here. तो वहीं से मैं कल रात को भी डिनर किया था और आज भी अभी ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, आलू पराठा और चाय। एंड अभी मैं निकलने वाला हूँ चंद्रताल के लिए। And look at this place. This place is so barren and so serene at the same time.
बाताल से चंद्रताल 15 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है and within 2 kilometers of leaving Batal you will find a left cut with a big entry gate to Chandratal Wildlife Sanctuary that will take you all the way to Chandratal. The road becomes narrower in this stretch and gains a considerable altitude from the Chandra river bed, so one has to be very careful while driving here. However, if the weather is this dry, I guess it is quite manageable. अगर मैं फर्स्ट टाइमर होके मैनेज कर लिया तो anyone should be able to do it. But if it rains or snows, then it could turn really nasty. And then comes water passes like this, which would turn extremely furious during bad weather conditions and could make this part even inaccessible. I maneuvered well through it and without dropping my foot in the water. The key is to keep your gears low within 1 and 2, not pulling the clutch in panic, and maintain an uniform pace while crossing the water.
So this is where I bridged the end of the road and मैं देख पा रहा हूँ एक थार खड़ी है और पहले से 2 रॉयल एनफील्ड खड़ी है। तो आई एम नॉट द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू रीच हियर। 3-4 लोग और आ चुके हैं चंद्रताल में, बट बियॉन्ड दिस पॉइंट यू कैन नॉट ड्राइव और राइड योर व्हीकल। यहाँ से आपको चल के जाना पड़ेगा, ये बोर्ड लगा हुआ है। एंड लेट्स सी हाउ फार डू आई नीड टू ट्रेक। गाइज दिस इज इट, फाइनली आई हैव रीच्ड चंद्रताल। वो पार्किंग प्लेस से लगभग 10 मिनट का वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है। तो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट लुक ऑफ चंद्रताल बिहाइंड मी। आई विल बी गोइंग एंड ट्राई टू टेक ए राउंड ऑफ इट। पता नहीं मुझे कितना लंबा है एंड इफ इट्स पॉसिबल टू टेक एन एंटायर राउंड ऑफ द लेक, बट लेट्स सी। एंड दिस इज लुकिंग मैजेस्टिक, इजंट इट? एंड यू नो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट? Today is the most important day of our biggest festival, like Bengal's biggest festival, Durga Puja. So today is Ashtami, and what could have been a better day to be at this beautiful place in Chandratal. So let's go and take a better look of it. I'm at the bank of Chandratal, and this is an extraordinary feeling. Believe me, this is an extraordinary feeling. इतना क्लियर है यहाँ का वाटर और इतना ज़्यादा सुकून है ये जगह पे। I can spend hours and hours over here just sitting and doing nothing. This is an extremely beautiful place. Now my plan is to look around the lake and try to cover as much as possible of the lake, and then within another half an hour I'll be heading back. I was wrong. This is not the end of the road, at least for the bikes. So for the bikes there's a rasta which will take you all the way to the lake. ये वाला रास्ता पकड़ना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से आके ये U-turn लेना पड़ेगा. This will take you all the way to चंद्रताल. तो ये वाला पार्ट थोड़ा संभाल लोगे तो बाकी आगे it's not that tough to ride.
Due to COVID pandemic, none of the camps are operational near Chandratal, and had I not gotten little late and come all the way to Chandratal last night, I would have frozen to death. As they say, whatever happens for a reason. Now, having completed 2 off-road trips into back-to-back weekends, I can put forth the similarities and differences between Sach Pass and Spiti Valley Chandratal trip. These trips were my introduction to off-roading, and trust me, even after facing so many troubles, I still look forward to more such off-road rides in future. Such is the magic of mountains, and such rides certainly make you a more experienced rider. But at the same time, if I inspect closely, These two off-road rides were way different than each other. Such Pass was certainly a more dangerous ride, having to pass through numerous cliffs and hanging narrow patches with the fear of falling thousands of feet down looming through your spine every moment. Road to Chandratal was certainly bad as well, but most of its part was through the valley and wider than that of Such Pass. There were almost no fear of falling to death. But yes, these roads in Spiti Valley are definitely way too bumpier and physically in a worse condition than that of the road to Such Pass. At places, there are literally no roads here. Last but not the least, Such Pass is a very remote place with almost no help available on the way from fellow travelers, and unbelievably deserted to mentally challenge you while you are riding solo. On the other hand, Chandratal, being a more popular destination and by the virtue of being closer to Manali, is not as deserted as Such Pass, and you will come across fellow travelers for help if need be. Anyway, if you liked my experience to Chandratal, please let me know in comments. And if you have not watched my spine-chilling adventure to Such Pass, you can always find them on my channel. Kindly do subscribe if you are here for the first time, and stop dreaming, start traveling. Goodbye.